Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something different. After doing a lot of face yoga, we need some time to do a little bit of massage. Yes, relax, release, and also tone our muscle at the same time. It's really necessary. Today I'm going to guide you really simple technique for facial massage that you can do yourself at home. I recommend to do this at least once or twice a week for the best result, combined with my other face yoga video. To do this massage, you need oil. I love to use oil because it's worked perfectly when I massage my face. You can also use cream, but I found that cream is really absorb really fast in your skin. Are you excited for this face massage? I started! You apply it like this on your face generously because you're gonna cleanse it afterward. Also here. Oh, I wear the wrong shirt today. But it's okay. Don't mind me when I look at the side, not at the camera, because I have my mirror here. So, after applying, we start. Now, you tap on the collarbone for 10 times. Just press it lightly like this for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then behind your ear for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And under your chin for 10 times here. Just bone here. Slightly, very light, gentle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna do like this, like a scissor along your ear, and you slide down on this muscle, okay, to relax this muscle. Both sides for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we just tap slowly, lightly on our face, just like this. And we slide here on the collarbone. Tap slightly on your face, just like this, and slide along your neck and stop at the collarbone. Tap, 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 tap. This is so relaxing. And collarbone. Now we're gonna do a little bit massage on our necks. So we massage upward like this. Push them upward. Push our hand upward like this, okay? Slightly, lightly, not a lot of pressure, just firm but not so hard, not so light either, just you can feel it. You do this for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we do other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we put our thumb like this under here and we massage like this. Just a little bit like this. And then you slide to the side along your jawline and slide them down like this, okay? Let's do it. I'm not sure if you can see it like this. And slide them on the side along your cheek, your jawline, and then you slide like this, okay? We do this just a couple of times. Your thumb, 1, 2, 3, and slide them on the side, and slide on your neck and leave them at the collarbone. 1, 2, 3, and slide them on the side and along your neck and collarbone. Another one. 1, 2, 3, and slide on the side along your neck and stop at the collarbone. That's good. Now we are going to massage our jawline. You have to do your hand like this and you push it until your ear like this, okay? Like this. I'll make it closer for you, like this and this, okay? Just put this side for 10, this side for 10, okay? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna do this side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to massage on our side. Follow me step by step like this. You just massage just like you are running your hand on your cheek muscle and you pull them up. You know, after a long day there's a lot of gravity. It will pull down our face muscle. Here also a little bit, and then we pull this one up also. Let's do other side. This feels so good. I'm so relaxing. I can sleep. And also on the cheek. This one on the cheek and on this muscle. This is really important for your growth fits, yeah. And you push them on the side, and you need your knuckle like this. You press it here and pause like you relax your head on your knuckle, and you will feel a little bit of tension here, and you breathe. Breathe. And then you slide on the side. And the same, like you have to push them up a little bit, okay? Push them up a little bit. Not too hard, just push them up a little bit. And slightly. Let's do another time. Put the knuckle here on the cheekbone, under the cheekbone, and relax your head on your knuckle. And then, sorry, a little bit of French. And then just slide them a little bit on the side. Push them a little bit up, just a little bit, slightly, slight pressure, not firm, okay? And relax. Now we do a little bit of massage on our eyebrow, just like this. If you have shoulder pain, you can do like this. I like to do like this also. You know, you push them, you push slightly, not firm, just really light massage. Push them up, push them up, push up to relax all the tension on your forehead. We think a lot, you know, when you watch TV, sometimes we do like this, or the telephone, or even meditation. Sometimes people, when they do meditation, especially me, sometimes I do like this, you know, try to close my eye to concentrate, but it's not good. So I massage a little bit to release all the tension here. And again, we do it again here for our what is called already, 11 line, yeah. And relax. Now we knit our finger like this, and we massage a little bit here to get our blood circle around our face, our eyes. Good, really good. And a little bit of here and here, just a little bit. Okay, and then other side. Here. Here. This is what I do almost every week. Personal stuff. Now I share to you. I hope you like them. And don't forget to share to your family, to your friends. You know, subscribe also. This means a lot to me. It shows that you love what I am doing, and it keeps me motivated. Like, share, and subscribe. You know, that's really helpful for me. Just do this a little bit, and we are going to press here. Just press a little bit firm on this 2 point and relax. We're gonna do another one. Put them here, press them firmly. And breathe and relax. Do you feel that you can see clearer? Let's do another one. This point, we can relax all our muscle here and also help our vision. you can see better. We use a lot of our eyes to watch TV, telephone, especially at the moment. A lot of people do that. I do that too. So our eyes are tired. And relax. And then we are going to work a little bit in our mouth. Your thumb, and you put them inside your mouth, and then we will massage here like this. And you massage here on your cheek and under your lip. Let's do it again. Put your thumb inside and you massage. And then you have to massage all the cheek muscle like this. We talk a lot, and me. and then under our lips a little bit. Oh, this is so relaxing. And that's it. We're gonna finish our massage with head massage. My hair is dirty today, but it's okay. It's a washing day, hair day. So you just put your hand in your hairline and massage them. Massage your head, your scalp, like this. And behind your head also. When your scalp is tense, it can create also wrinkle on your face. Yeah, I know, everything is connected. Surprise! Thank you guys for joining me today. I am really happy to share this personal technique facial massage with you. If you find this video helpful, please share, subscribe, and click the bell button for the next video. And I see you soon. Bye bye!